In the Trader Rundown today, Todd Bubba Horwitz joins me now, and we have to talk about this Goldman Sachs call. That Goldman now saying it's possible we will not see a healthcare reform happen. Do you believe that?
We didn't have to wait for Goldman. You could have listened to me. I already
thought it would happen.
I said there was no chance we'd get healthcare done, at least in this vote, and I think that it's going to be a much bigger problem. Again, one of the problems when you have a House and Congress that don't get along, in the Senate, and everybody else is against it, it's going to be much harder to get it through. And there's many people that are sticking to their guns that are not going to change their mind, and that's really the problem that we're seeing right now.
So we're in gridlock. What would be a trade here for a trader, though?
Well, I think the stocks are still indicating that they believe that there's a bill going to be passed. You've got stocks like Humana up near all-time highs. They're all higher than they should be. I think that I'm looking at the ETF of XBI, which is the biotech ETF, and it was up over 80, had a gigantic move off of the original news here, went from 68 to 82. I think this is a phenomenal short play here, right around 77 or 78. I think it goes all the way back down, and I do not think that the healthcare is going to get done even in the next opportunity, which would be possibly August. So I think that this is going to be a real thought and problem in the minds of traders and these stocks. And I think they're all going to get hit, which will also, I think, drive the markets on themselves. So I think I'd be a seller of XBI, and I'd go out and buy puts probably in September and buy the at the money 78 puts or 77 puts, and just make it a straight, simple, short play, because I think we're going lower here, and that's the way I play it.
Any other thoughts as we get into the end of the quarter, the end of the month?
Well, you'll probably see, a little bit possible window dressing. It's going to be real quiet tomorrow. It'll be almost like a half a day, and Monday will be, nothing. But again, those kind of days could bring in extra business, right? Because the markets have nothing to stop it either way. Overall, I think you'll probably see a rally at the beginning of the quarter, and then I think we start to go back on our way, because the markets look now like they're trying to get ready to correct. As you see, the Dow has gone from the weakest of the indexes now to the strongest of the indexes, which is not a real bullish sign, and tech is starting to get hit pretty good.
Thank you for coming on the show. Have a great day.
Great to be here.